Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make your laptop like new again when you purchased basically completely clean and fresh, right? So what you need to do here is quite simple. You just need to go to settings. On settings you need to go to a system, then you need to go to a recovery. On recovery you need to look for reset this PC and press reset. Then you'll have two options, keep my files. So basically if you select this option here, it will remove all apps and settings, but it will keep your personal files like photos and other stuff, documents and more, right? If you press remove everything, so literally everything here will be removed from your PC. So I will press this and we need to wait for a couple of seconds. Here there is cloud install, download and local reinstall. I suggest you to use local reinstall and then press next here. It won't take long and you will see what you will be deleting here and restoring your basically basic PC settings. As you can see here, basically all the settings will be back to defaults. You will keep your personal files, reinstall Windows from this device and remove all the apps and programs. And then you can look what will be as you can see here, reinstall, deleted from your PC. So yeah, that's basically it. And then you just need to press reset and you need to wait until it finishes. And that's all you need to do here.